in front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Okay, so to enable the mode, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, open the control panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon on the watch face, or if you open the quick panel, you will see that the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode got highlighted by color, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, of course, you can simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, the mode will be disabled. You can tell by the message, Do Not Disturb mode off, the icon going back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face disappearing, which also indicates that the mode is disabled. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.